Hi all, welcome to the Data Monk, where we bridge the gap between students and their jobs. Today we are going to take an example of guesstimate. Guesstimate is an important part of the interview where you have to guess the given question's answer. It should be an educated guess, not a random guess. Let's dive into the question. How many red colored Swift cars are there in Delhi? For any guesstimate, one should take as big as a set as their first step. So, for this question, we are going to take the whole population of Delhi as our first set. So, the population of Delhi is 2 crores. Then we can split the whole population into families because people take cars for their whole family. So let us assume that every family on an average has 4 people. Then dividing 2 crores by 4 gives us 50 lakh families. After this, we can split them into their wealth and well-beings. So according to this slide, that 20% of the family are rich, 60% of the families are middle class, and 20% of the families are not so rich. So according to the percentage, if we convert the percentage into numbers, we get that 10 lakh families are the upper class, the 30 lakh families are the middle class, and the 10 lakh families are the lower class. Among these, only the upper two classes can afford to buy a car. So the number of families that can afford to buy a car will be 10, that is the uppermost class, and the 30, that is the middle class. Adding them, we get 40 lakh families that can afford a car. Now after this, we would assume that there are 40 lakh cars in Delhi, but no, the richer people will prefer to have two cars. Then we get 10 into two cars for every family, and the middle class family gets 30 into one car, which will be 30 lakh, and this will be 20 lakh. 20 plus 30 becomes 50 lakhs. So finally we get the total number of cars that are present in Delhi, which will be 50 lakh according to our assumptions. Now, one thing one must keep in mind during a guesstimate is that need not give the perfect answer, but your approach is being tested during the questions. So your answer need not to be perfect. After this, we know that in India, majority of market is covered by Maruti. So let's say it has almost 50% of the cars on road are of Maruti. Then 50%, that is half of 50 lakh, becomes 20 lakh, 25 lakhs. Sorry, 50% of 50 lakh becomes 25 lakhs. That is why the Maruti company cars will be 25 lakh. After that, if we make it more narrower, of because our question asks for a very specific type of car, that is a red Swift, then we need to split the number of cars into their models. So let us assume we can split them into 5 parts. The top 4 models, that are Swift, Omni, Alto, and Wagoner, and the fifth one is miscellaneous. Each one getting equal amount of percentage. Then we get everyone will get 20% of the share, which will equal to 5 lakh. 20% of 25 lakhs will become 5 lakh. You can calculate. Then we again need not all the Swifts, but only the red color. Let us assume that there are 5 famous colors in Swift that are popular among all. So again, 20% of 5 lakh becomes 1 lakh. So the solution to the question, how many red Swift cars are there in Delhi, would be 1 lakh. That will be our guesstimate. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to the Data Monk.